Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can visualize text in your presentations on Gamma AI. For example, by giving the artificial intelligence the command or the prompt to convert a text or text box into a visual element, like an image, for example. So let us guide you through and show you how it works in your presentations. So what you want to do, guys, is navigate to your presentation on Gamma AI, navigate to the slide or card, and also to the text you would like to convert into a visual element. So let me go with a card that doesn't feature any images, like this one here, for example. Let me go with that text here. So what you will need to do, guys, is highlight the text you'd like to convert into an image, and once you have done that, you will see these options appearing here. So one of these options is called visualize this text. So simply click on it and give the artificial intelligence a moment to understand what is being said in the text and to visualize it. It may take a moment, but as you can see in this case here, it worked pretty fast, and you will see the outcome here. Now, of course, if you don't like the outcome, guys, you can always delete that and start a new approach, or customize these elements by clicking into the image, for example, and replace it, or give the artificial intelligence a new prompt to create a better or enhanced image using that communication panel here. And that's it. Now, of course, these text boxes can be customized as well. And that's it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.